Okay, I'm recording.
Well, then do your intro.
There's no intro. On my
That's too close.
account I'm using for Elden Ring stuff doesn't have an intro.
Mason, that's too close.
This is just a flash.
Exactly.
Let me run back. Let's just go. Let's light them all.
Imagine.
Where are they? Where are all of them?
I can't see. Right here. Are we actually gonna light all of them?
Go put them out there.
All together?
I can't hear each other.
No, we're gonna get flashbanged.
Maybe I'll just hold them. Okay, light them. Is this all of it?
Go, Mason.
Ow!
Good job.
Is there more? Are you getting this?
Yes. Over there.
I thought you guys were gonna light them all at the same time.
I didn't realize there was two more. We went too fast, I guess. Okay, these ones. These ones are like little dog poopies.
Yeah, you light it and it poops.
Okay, never mind.
What?
It ripped. Let's see if this. I guess we're gonna have this one for memories.
I was kind of excited for that one.
You got this one.
We got two?
It was 2 in one package.
I didn't know that.
Do I do this on this? I feel like I don't. My guys, move! Oh, never mind, we're good. Look! It's pooping! Do you see that?
That's so weird.
That's a. Oh, let's do a snake.
I didn't know it did that.
You didn't get it!
I'm sorry.
We didn't know it did that.
I'll just keep my distance in case.
Yeah, I think you just light the red part. Or is there a fuse?
Mason, go out there.
You're running away.
The poop's running away.
I can't see it. Me either. Ah!
Oh, did you get it?
Bring it back.
You're back now, Tom.
There's tape on this. I don't want to rip it. You know what? Screw it. Look, it's poopies. Lena, stay back.
Is it pooping?
It's little worms.
Elena.
Look. Yeah.
What was it called? Worms in a can?
Yeah.
It's the most anticlimactic fireworks we've ever done.
This is fine. It's a lot better than fireworks we've done recently.
The tank. You guys need to stop pointing them at me.
That's what the tank.
Mason, do not point it towards my direction.
Oh my god!
God,
Oh my gosh!
that's cool.
I thought it was gonna shoot out.
How many tanks
Look
did we
at
get?
it. That's cool. Scared
That one might have been a little wonky.
No, it's supposed to spin
I mean,
up
I might
that.
have reported it wrong
Why?
and not gotten all of it.
What's that one? Oh. That one's snake?
What is this?
It's probably just like the poopy ones.
Do we open it?
Were you not supposed to open it? Mason, I think you're supposed to light the wrapper on fire.
Yeah, you probably are.
Oh, look, they grow.
Oh, well, that's kind of anticlimactic. You know how long it's going to take us to do all of them?
What I can do? If these would light. Little poopies. There's so many. We can do more. I don't know.
Get those!
Okay. Magic whips.
What is that? Oh, she got it just, like, barely.
Magic whips.
You gotta go out there.
I don't know what that does. Does it, like, fly out like a whip? So what are we going to do about these, though?
Mom, are you watching?
Do I
Oh.
hold this?
What if it just starts cracking? Is there a handle to hold it from?
I mean, it doesn't say not to hold it.
Mason, no, go out there.
Do not hold them.
Hang on, they're doing a firework.
Do not hold them.
All right, Mason, light them and then toss it.
Mason. What? No, connect to. Take their light! Light up!
That's really cool.
Mason, try to wind the fuses together.
In the bag, bro.
Well, Mom, where's you gonna leave it? Those things flatten out. And those turn into dust. Why is that so loud?
Toss it.
Now what?
Smoke bomb!
The favorite! Oh, I can't get it.
Ouchies!
Get back. What if I do this? Look at it. Look at all the magma it's shooting out. That stuff hurts.
Don't get close to me.
Step back. Fade away.
Ouchie.
Let her burn. The might of the sword. No, wait, that's
Is
not
that
the
our last
is
one?
it? Yeah, I swear we got more or something else. Take turns holding it though. Nice hit. Olivia, do you want it?
No.
What? My turn.
Don't put it on the ground. Don't put it.
I think it was probably supposed to end.
What? This? I know. Why do we have to use the sword?
Can I stop recording?
Yeah!